Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account where the recovery email is set. Make sure you have your password and any two-factor method ready because the system will re-verify you. Once signed in, navigate directly to Settings, then Security or Personal Info. That's where recovery addresses live. You're doing this now to avoid intermediate lockouts and to ensure you can approve changes. Make sure the device looks familiar to the service, since unfamiliar devices often trigger extra verification steps before edits are allowed. Once in the Security or Account Recovery section, locate the recovery email entry and choose Edit or Remove. You will be asked to verify the action. The service does this to prevent unauthorized removal. Enter a code sent to your primary contact or complete two-factor approval. After verification, confirm, remove, and save changes. This step removes the address from account records and reduces exposure, but make sure you have another validated recovery option or 2FA in place, so you don't lock yourself out later. Finish by reviewing remaining recovery options and testing sign-in to ensure everything behaves as expected. If the system blocks removal, that often means recent suspicious activity or a required hold period. Check security alerts and any emails from the provider for instructions. If you cannot complete verification, contact the account provider's support and be ready to prove ownership with recent activity or billing details. Once resolved, re-attempt removal and then monitor account alerts for any unexpected changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.